everybody, today we're going to make chicken fingers, my favorite. Please download the full recipes so you can cook along with me. And we're going to need flour, chicken, eggs, panko bread crumbs. So first, let's put salt on the chicken, garlic powder. Now, we're going to put onion powder. Now, we're going to put pepper. Make sure to season the flour, the eggs, and the panko breadcrumbs. Chicken fingers are one of my favorite foods, and I love making them. Now we're going to mix the chicken. Just like that. This is how you mix it. Now we're going to put it in the flour. This looks so good. Breading is fun and messy. Repeat the process until you have breaded all the chicken. Now we're going to fry it just like that. Now look at it. It's frying. That's cool. Make sure a grown-up fries the chicken for you. It's ready! Now we're going to taste test, and this is my brother Jack. That's super good. It's super crunchy because of the panko breadcrumbs, and inside it's super soft. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's right there. Bye.